Hi, I'm doing a video today. I have a '05 Nissan Frontier, which is my '05 Nissan Frontier, as you can see. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm changing my oxygen sensors. I ordered 2 lower oxygen sensors from Amazon. However, they just came today, so I just went and got them from the Amazon hub. These are the 2 older ones that came off. These are the two downstream ones that I was able to get off. These are extremely hard to get off. But anyway, long story short, I got them off the truck, and I'm about to change the 2 lower ones today. The other upper stream one, which is on the driver's side, that was changed last year sometime, so I don't have to change that one. But these 2 back ones, they've been on the truck for 18 years. They have never been changed, so I finally was able to get them off. One side I had to use a blowtorch, which is right. Let me see where I put it. This must be okay. So I had to actually use this blowtorch. I bought this blowtorch and I had to use it. I had to heat this up. This is the driver's side lower bank. This is the lower bank. Lower bank O2 sensor. I had to use this torch and heat it up to take it off, which is on the driver's side. But on the lower bank, on the passenger side, I didn't have to use it. I sprayed it with WD-40, and a couple of days later, I was able to get it off. So I was lucky there. So anyway, this bracket. So the side that I'm changing now is the side that's on the side that I'm changing now is on the passenger side of the vehicle. The lower side, which is they call it the downside, which is the downside of the truck. So this was bracketed here onto this. So I had to take it off and put it on the new oxygen sensor, as you see here. So the other side didn't come with one. When I bought the truck 11 or 12 years ago, when I bought the truck, it didn't come with it. The people, they didn't put it there, or they took it off and they never changed it properly. Something happened where it wasn't there anymore. So long story short, so what you want to do is you want to start screwing this. You want to start screwing this sensor on first. You want to put this on first before you bracket it over there. That's what you want to do. Alright, I'm going to start screwing it in. As you can see, oh, this one's going easy. And notice that these O2 sensors, see, this is the other O2 sensor. They look the same, but they're different. See, the clips are different colors. See right here? This is how you know. So this is on the passenger side of the truck. This is the lower bank, as you can see right here. And this is the upper part of the bank up here. This is the other one that I need to change. I'm changing that tomorrow. And this is the lower bank, which is back here, that I'm screwing in right now. So make sure once or when you're putting these in, make sure you don't bracket it up yet, because you want to turn it. See how it's starting to See how it's starting to knot up? You don't want that. So you gotta turn this and flip this a couple of times. Right there. That's good enough. And then just grab your wrench. Excuse me, which is a 22. Just grab your wrench and put some torque on it like this. See? See how it's turning? It doesn't have to be super tight, but it's turning. You can see it. Give it another turn, another notch. That's good enough. So that's on. So I'm gonna pause the video as I connect this back up. I have to connect this back up here with the screws and plug it back into the black clip. All right. Okay, you can see that I got it plugged in, which is right here. I got the clip plugged back in and plugged back up, which is right here, and it's screwed in. There's some issues that I have with the other side.